Hi everyone. Today we'll be looking at Botmaster 14.5, which is the latest version of Botmaster. Okay, and every function and features of this version is working. You can check the date also. Today is 26th June and the time is 3:54, approximately 4 o'clock. Okay, so today we'll be testing that it is fully working now. We'll be putting some numbers. Or we'll just put one number. Okay, we'll import here hi demo message. Opening the and we will send the message demo message. Okay, here send. We'll send it in blind mode, and as you can see the campaign is done. Okay, this message sending feature is also working. Then there was a query of someone who is asking about how to send images and photos and videos here. Okay, so what you can do, just attach the images from this image folder. Okay, attach any image. You can type any message, or without message you can send the image. Here you can attach photo, video, audio, PDF, document, anything you can send from here. Send. We'll click on send in blind mode, and see the campaign has been done. Our photo is also sent. Okay, and some of you are asking that you have to put number with names. Okay, number with names in manual import without using Excel, because some of you are having issue like you are not able to import the contact details from Excel. So what you do, it is a general method Sam, then comma with country code and number. You just have to click import, and you can see that name has come. Okay, and insert variable full name. What this will do, insert full name and then click on send. So what it will do, see, it has sent the message Sam, demo message Sam, means our dynamic keyword or dynamic name and all the details which you have to put variable is also inserted in the message. Like that you can send name, details and all personalized messages. Now the other important thing is group grabber. How you will do the group grabber? You have to click on group grabber, fetch group, select any group you want to get, and then click on get members. You will get everything from every group, every contact details here. You can export that, directly import it into the message section. If you want to import, just add to sender list and it will get imported. Okay, so some of you are saying that in their old software number filter is not working. They have to confirm that it is working in the latest software or not. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just click on number filter. We can generate the number also, but we don't require right now to generate the number. We'll just put any random number, or we'll put my number. Okay, and one random number. What we'll see, we'll just import it and start checking. Okay, see, the number filter is very much working right now. Just random number which we put is not in WhatsApp, so number filter is working fine. What you can do, you can manually import it. You can import from txt file or Excel, insert country code. You can export the details also of number filtered, like that. Setting, what you have to do, you have to select slow. you have to select slow sending. Okay, sending settings. If you want to prevent your number from being blocked, just use 5 to 10 seconds gap. Okay, active sleep, then use at least 10 to 20-second gap after every 10 messages. Like that, then your number will not get your number will be prevented from getting blocked. If you want to get it bold, then you can just use star bold. Your number will get, your message will get bold. If you want to set auto reply, you can set auto reply here just by adding this welcome, and whichever auto reply you want to set, you can set here. Hi, welcome and all. If you want to set rules, separate rules, then you can add auto reply rules. Like rule number 1, somebody sent me hi. Okay, so what I need to send, hi, welcome to us, something like that. You can attach file, and you can enable this rule, and after that your auto reply will start working. You can add any images, videos and something and all message like that. So those who want to purchase this software, they can just contact me directly from the details given in the description, and even in pinned comments contact details are given. Plus, those who want to become a reseller, those who want to get a reseller software, white label, or if you want to get this whole software into your own branding with your own brand name, like that, we have written a botmastermedia.com for sales support, call plus 91995390181. Like that, you will get your own branding software, and in which you can get your own brand name and number details, contact details. Okay. Secondly, if you want master panel in which unlimited reseller creator is option given, then you can take the master panel also, in which if you want to give to other resellers, then master panel is the most important option for you. So we'll meet in next video.